the battlefield, waiting to hear the voice of my commander. Jesus, if you call my name, you will answer a million times. I'm a soldier. Bye. Hey, what's up, man? I'll make up, so man. I'm here for you, man. Hey, what's up, man? What and what do you want?
My sports.
That way, I'm going to go man on your sport. What and what do you want?
Mineral.
No one will start.
You will not can't do a bit close in below.
No, can't have person. I'm a soldier. I'm going to go wait to go to Manchester.
India, you probably.
Go. What can we do?
I think you should tell you that.
After we Gete, can you go at TV?
Mega matcha.
How funny. No more channel, I'm managing Jimmy now. Eh?
Maybe you're a professional.
Okay, that's the biggest one. The
Look at the
biggest
TV
clip.
there.
Which one?
Yeah.
Okay. What am I using it? Like, how do they call it? Captivity changing. You use the mixer.
Cut touch screen.
That's smart TV.
Android TV.
The customer you're calling is not answering.
What's your name video? I like that song.
I'm a soldier on the battlefield, waiting to hear the voice of my commander. Jesus, if you call my name, answer.
How about that girl that was here?
Good girl. Esther.
Yes.
Good afternoon, good evening. How are you?
Fine, good afternoon.
Okay, please, do you have any mineral?
Yes.
Which?
Fanta, fried food.
Okay.
Pure water.
Baby, what do you want?
Pure water.
Pure water. You don't want to drink mineral?
I don't remember that.
Can you bring sachet water for us?
I have some people I'm attending to here.
So I should come to your...
It's not okay.
Okay, let me come to your office. Let me just come to your office.
Alright.
Where's that your office again?
The first office at the Atlantic.
Okay, beautiful. Come in. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm doing. No, but I say anyhow.
Oh my goodness.
She's just laughing anyhow.
Can you imagine? So that who achieved.
Yes, so at least I made her to laugh now. I'm a soldier in the battlefield, waiting to hear the voice of my commander.
Even if I do video, I don't mind.
What's it here?
I don't.
What's it here?
People know you have a mag Fanta Hengo Pato, New.
What's it here?
How?
Okay.
Yeah.
Name. There are simple ways to deal with ulcer, and you eat and you eat and you eat.
Not about food.
Ulcer will run away. Fear.
Not about food. You don't know when you're under pressure.
But at least put something in your stomach. You don't have to leave your stomach empty. That's it. Come on, now avoid you know my tough to anyhow. Right. Now wow. Women are picture. Let me show you so that my viewers will see you. See, women are picture. She says she's tired and she's just taking pictures anyhow. Women are pictures.
on his life.
Oh, okay. Set.
How much is that from? How do they put
Depends on household landscape. Oh boy. Oh.
she might be like the way there's light. Okay, that they took life. Don't understand. People are very lucky. There's always light here. You don't have any excuse.
No, see, but it's not like there's always light to it. This place has always been on inverter. So all of a sudden, I ever do something to inverter there. Leaving me with bulb and fan. Yeah, you're not also bad fan. So
I came out early. I came out early. How much you can close?
she was close there. Officially, I got 4.
I mean, very soon I need to close.
Officially.
Okay, how do you raise it? Can you raise this thing up?
Yes.
Really up. Really? I'm severe. Seriously, I was going to come and do multimedia here. I just went and made inquiries. Just moving. So that I'll do anything I want. Oh, something tired. Can you imagine? I know that. Nothing. A double grace passou PT, vocês não. Nada.
Now how about tilt? So what do that? Hang on. That's
Well,
GVA.
how much will somebody give me?
Like payment will be in 2 ways. Pay officially and pay unofficially.
You can't hold up. So that
Someone pay my high hand and she.
no, mom. Alright.
But I'm the hollow.
You do it.
Unofficial, you're finishing.
Very cool. Here you are.
You
You're unofficial.
I was.
Unofficial, what?
But believe.
Open out the water. What's about you? It also. Oh Lord.
Nasty go.
Always working.
How you want really show people you?
What? You not gonna know no.
You never know.
You never know. You never know what's going on.
Guess what?
Hello guys, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, I'm good. I was just trying to do 1 or 2. Okay, I'm just coming back from somewhere. Oh, somebody saying your girlfriend is hot too. She's my visitor. She came to visit. Okay. You are looking for a hot girlfriend. Akbar, I got a question. Yeah. Kisu ba nang na ba sana? Wonder.
I'm his late.
Friends.
Friends. Hello, Daisy. How are you? How you doing? Now for YouTube. Hi. Where are you from? I can't see you, so you are cute too. Are you a girl or boy? Are you a boy or a girl? Where you streaming from? As for me, I'm just at the office, yeah, with my friends. And then just having a nice time. DC. Oh, from India, okay. Are you a lady or you're a guy? Or you're a girl lady?
She.
Juju.
Are you a guy or girl?
Accent, whether local or foreign, anyone. We use the one we want to use.
Are you a guy?
Are you a guy or you are a gay guy?
Or you're Bobrisky?
Yeah. No, you can never be a Bobrisky.
Why a white person? No long.
It's a human being. He's a human being, man.
Further frustrates me.
No, I can't speak. I don't know how to speak Hindu. I don't even know how to greet. Hey, Mehi didn't. Hello, Yola. How are you? How you doing? Thank you for joining. I hope you're good. How is it going with you? Hindu, they are different from Indians, yeah?
No. Yeah, Hindu is making India.
Okay, Hindu is a language in India.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, TikTok. How are you? You know, how you did now? What's that happen? But Hindu is a religion.
No.
Hindu is a religion now.
Kaka Indians.
Hindu. A tribe.
A tribe, but I think it's a religion too. Abi, is it a religion? I don't know.
Hinduism.
Hinduism, yeah. It's a religion.
A religion. Quando é que a gente invata?
Yeah.
O Kasolaga.
Kasola.
Okay. So ne faccio to any other thing.
Katolo ko imba disconnected.
If I didn't get him on the door, I'm small in Vatalanga.
Porque não vai stress em quase.
That's what we do with Vatalanga.
Because so many gadgets, não é que foi não. Never basket there.
Oh, just keep drinking.
You are not even ready to buy.
Okay. Hindu and Hindi different. I'm confused. Oh, there's Hindu and Hindi. Funny enough, there's this mango that we have here in Nigeria. We call it Hindi. Yeah, there's the name of a mango, and one day I will show you the mango on this channel. You see it. So, well, the language you speak is like almost the same. Okay, Hindu is the religion. Hindi is the language. Okay. Oh, I understand. Juju, you sabi all those things. So, that's good. I mean, I don't know. At least we learn every day. Because having Hindi and Hindu. I'm just praying that the day that I will travel to India and see the religion. Yeah. If I travel to India, at least I should be able to see so many things, yeah. What is happening here? Just talking to my viewers, and I'm just in my office getting ready to close for the day. Hi. She said you get voice. So she's a hello, fine girl. Hello, babe. I want to see you, babe. They say you get fine voice.
Hi guys.
Aww.
Can you see your YouTube?
Oh, see fine girl.
Hi guys.
The guy say you get fine voice.
Can you?
Hey, YouTube. So me that was talking since
Guys.
nobody said I get fine voice.
Subscribe, guys.
Alright, this life no balance. So me that was talking since nobody said I get fine voice. See body, oh, see body. I need to on this fan now because this heat is. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all the followable. Yeah, you can pick a membership if you want to, and then enjoy life of this channel.
Subscribe and
More great love, sweet videos are coming for you guys to watch. All right. I'm just packing up for the day.
They don't realize.
Yes. Benue people. Benue. Oh, Benue. So, Mimi, how is the preparation for the wedding going?
Stressful.
Okay. Stressful.
Very, very stressful.
Oh, sorry about that. It's not easy. Okay, I'm a Edo, but
Stress.
I live in New York City. Okay, wow. How is New York City today? How is New York City, man? Edo. Oh, I've been to Edo State too. I went to remember this place now? Ibode. Yes, Ibode in Edo State. I went there twice. I was there to cover a traditional marriage, and the other one I went for. What took me there? It was this traditional marriage, yes. And the other side of Edo that I went to, I can't even remember the place again because it's been a very long time, so I can't even remember. You know. It is a nice place, though. We used to drink palm wine. We used to drink palm wine. Early in the morning, I wake up and sit under the mango tree. I would just ask them to bring palm wine for me. Fresh one. Oh God, how I miss Edo. I just pray that something takes me to Edo State again to have a good feeling of Edo people. Because Edo is good. Guys, thank you. You're welcome to my channel. And I'm happy to have you guys here. Don't forget to subscribe, share this live video, and part of the lifestyle I do. Like, subscribe, and do all the necessary doable. We appreciate you for your support, and God bless you.
Please like and subscribe, guys. Support us.
Dun, 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 dun. If you get fish, you don't so. I feel like eating chicken. Maybe I will soon be going home. Because,
Going.
yes.
As I'm going into me, going.
Because I need to go take my wife out for a road walk.
Don't try. She has tried. So you need to go pick her out.
Yes.
She done so well so far. No easy.
Who better?
So be minute.
Let me call this girl Kate. I'm so bizarre. So that changing this. You see, look at my screen guard now. Protector. No girl.
Couple
That's
one
what's up.
high age la. You need
I want,
pouch.
I want to go and change
How
it.
much you use?
Here, Jenny. Tito Gate. See him now. In there also. In there also. What's his name? What's his name? Check.
Let me get a good video.
Problem in not the finish.
Make it try today, enjoy.
Hello, Kate. Ungwe pouch your phone one iPhone XR. Okay, move on now the cheapest one la. Okay. She unam screen guard the cheapest one la. Unelo, e qual she in supermarket? De quala. Mon kwa len ton ku government go so bamboo van. Thank you. Lonely, you are so lonely. You have nobody to call your William.
Mesmo bunga aqui.
Eh? Mesmo
Mesmo bunga aqui.
cake. Sometimes I'm bad donuts.
Let me see anything that will make me.
Who need to get rum now? You need rum in your life.
No, this round.
Sure, Longa now. I would have prepared something for you. I never knew you would come. Imagine it. Ne karaka sala wala indomie egg. Indomie.
This is how we do babe.
Indomie egg, sha yanga higiene.
What?
Indomie kwako, egg kwako.
Kako akanichi kaka karabanu.
Indomie egg now. You're free with me.
Those things are vanity.
They are vanity upon vanity.
Are you sure?
Those, as a spiritual person, yo, you don't have to be eating things like that.
Alright, so I'm lying now. Gonna fire automatic powered outage.
I don't know. Okay. The big fish, he don't show. DK mo bodo.
You need something
Who the video mom ever was?
Only me. You. And you was me. Who's out there? Who's out here?
I will go straight home now. Ain't got no money to spend.
I don't understand you. Follow me and wall moon divine go. You don't know me.
You mean don't understand me?
After que te certo connect from there.
Acomoda tu mañana.
No.
No, this is how I download video. I share Instagram and Azana.
Who download this app?
You download any app, guy. You can just use.
No, you're testing now.
Okay, I have to just keep download video on Instagram.
Seriously, just Google. See what happens.
No. Come and show him. She will learn every day. Because
People download app that big. Copy it. Browser will move on. No, if you use this one, the person's watermark will be on it. Do you understand? Like if you download this one, this premium link will be on it. So can you follow you?
Techno. She doesn't Techno. That's
Super.
Techno.
You check. Use your browser. Do Instagram download.
Okay, all those things.
It's better than using Glayaga. Using watermark. Why do you use Guinea Lion?
Hey, ka
Let me end this live video.
YouTube.